Election Commission of India (ECI) has ordered repoll at 6 polling stations in the outer Manipur parliamentary constituency in Senapati and Ukhrul districts on April 30. Of the total 6 polling stations, 5 polling stations are in Ukhrul district, namely polling station number 44 by 20 Sangsak A, 44 by 36 Ukhrul A, 44 by 41 Ukhrul D1, 44 by 50 Ukhrul F, polling station number 45 by 14 Chingai. In Senapati district, repoll was ordered at polling station 47 by 33 Oinam A1 under Karong constituency. Voting will start from 7 a.m. and end at 4 p.m. It may be recalled that at polling station number 44 by 20 at Chingai, miscreants intimidated voters, resulting in disruption of voting process. As for polling station number 44 by 41, Greenland Primary School, and Laisifanit Junior High School polling station 44 by 50, EVM and voting materials were destroyed after mob violence. At polling station 45 by 14, voting was stopped after EVM malfunctioned and security reasons. The polling station 47 by 33 in Karong voting was disrupted after miscreants snapped the power line of EVM and VVPAT. Notably, INC and MPCC petitioned the CEO for fresh poll in as many as 17 polling stations.